The push-up with alternating dumbbell Renegade row is an advanced version of the traditional Renegade row as it adds in a push-up between each row. This makes it a great core and chest strengthening exercise combo. To get started, place a pair of dumbbells on the floor and get into a push-up plank position while gripping the dumbbells with a neutral palms facing in grip. The wider you place your feet, the easier it will be to maintain your balance during the Renegade row. Just like you would do with a plank, contract every muscle in your body, including your chest, glutes, hamstrings, quads, and especially your core. Then bend your elbows and keep them tucked to your sides as you lower yourself into a push-up. Push up with power by extending your arms, then lift one dumbbell by bending your elbow and rowing it towards your armpit and squeezing your shoulder blade back. Focus on keeping your hips square to the ground by contracting your core and pressing the other dumbbell with your hand through the floor. Under control, lower the dumbbell back to the floor, then complete another push-up. Repeat the same movement with the opposite arm while completing a push-up between every row. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.